Welcome to Mind Might, where we dive deep into the extraordinary world of self-discovery and personal empowerment. Unleash the force within you as we explore the power of attitude, unlocking greatness in life. Join me on an exhilarating journey where positivity meets potential and mindset becomes the key to unlocking your greatest achievements. From practical tips to real-life stories, we're here to transform your attitude, amplify your aspirations, and guide you towards a life of boundless greatness. Buckle up for a mind-altering experience, because at Mind Might, your attitude shapes your destiny. In today's society, many people equate living a great life with material possessions and external appearances. The desire for abs, biceps, triceps, and a size 0 figure has become the modern paradigm of a great life. Additionally, the pursuit of money has become synonymous with success. However, living a truly great life goes beyond these superficial aspects. In a humorous anecdote, it is mentioned that Marwadis, known for their business acumen, can even turn mosquitoes into a profitable venture. This highlights the misconception that looking good or having a lot of money is the key to a great life. While wealth can contribute to a comfortable lifestyle, there is a significant difference between a great lifestyle and a great life. It is important to recognize that factors such as birth and death are beyond our control. We cannot choose our parents or alter the course of our mortality. However, what lies within our control is the choices we make in between birth and death. It is these choices that determine whether we live a great life or not. Being born male or female is a matter of birth, but being a gentleman or a lady is a matter of choice. Regardless of our circumstances or background, we all have the potential to be great individuals and lead fulfilling lives. However, this potential can only be realized if we actively make the right choices. The choices we make define us more than our external appearance or socioeconomic status. Greatness is not about achievements or accomplishments, but about cultivating the right attitude. Every individual has the power to choose their attitude, and it is this attitude that ultimately leads to true greatness. Mantras for success. Success at different stages of life can take on various meanings. As children, success may be synonymous with academic achievements and getting pronunciations right. In college, success may revolve around obtaining a degree. In the pursuit of jobs and careers, success may be linked to financial stability and material possessions. However, it is crucial to understand that these achievements are not success themselves, but rather byproducts of success. True success lies in one's attitude towards life and the choices they make. Success is not about external validations or societal expectations, but about personal fulfillment and growth. It is important to overcome distractions and temptations, particularly during the college years. This is the time to focus, concentrate, and commit to academic pursuits wholeheartedly. By giving their all to their education, individuals can lay a solid foundation for future success. Success should not be limited to external factors such as money or possessions. True success lies in the development of a positive attitude, resilience, and discipline. It is about valuing small things, paying attention to details, and being grateful for every opportunity. Attaining greatness requires persistence, hard work, and dedication. It is not about seeking validation from others, but about consistently making the right choices and staying true to oneself. Greatness is built upon a strong foundation of character, integrity, and a commitment to personal growth. Attitude, the key to unlocking greatness. Attitude is the ultimate determinant of success and greatness. It transcends appearances, qualifications, and material possessions. Greatness is not about what one has or achieves, but about who one becomes through the choices they make and the attitude they embody. Just as the color of a balloon does not determine its ability to soar, external factors such as looks or possessions do not define a person's greatness. It is what lies within one's character, values, and attitude that truly matter. Greatness is not achieved by chance, but by cultivating the right attitude and consistently making choices aligned with one's values. This requires valuing small things, paying attention to details, and always striving for improvement. One's attitude is reflected in their actions and behaviors. By valuing commitments, being punctual, and demonstrating integrity, individuals can exhibit the qualities of a great person. Attitude is the driving force behind personal and professional growth. Developing a positive attitude requires perseverance and self-discipline. It is about choosing to respect and honor the decisions one makes, even if they seem insignificant. By prioritizing personal growth, individuals can unlock their potential for greatness. The power of choices. Life is made up of a series of choices, and it is through these choices that greatness is achieved. Choosing to cultivate a positive attitude, make the most of opportunities, and constantly strive for personal growth leads to a fulfilling and meaningful life. While external circumstances may be beyond our control, the power to choose how we respond to these circumstances lies within us. Choosing to focus on the positive, embrace challenges, and learn from failure. Hey Mind Masters, ready to embark on a transformative journey? I'm Harish, and on Mind Might, we delve deep into the power of attitude, unlocking greatness in life. Elevate your mindset, cultivate resilience, and embrace the extraordinary potential within you. From mindset hacks to inspiring stories, we're your go-to source for unleashing your true potential. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are on the path to greatness. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's embark on this empowering adventure together. Your greatness awaits. Don't miss out.